The P0507 code indicates that the idle speed control system has a higher RPM than expected. Simply put, your car's computer is trying to control the engine speed at idle, but for some reason, the revolutions per minute are persistently higher than they should be. This is important because an improper idle affects fuel economy, emissions, and engine smoothness. The most common symptoms are a lit check engine light, an abnormally high idle, and in some cases the engine may stall when attempting to return to a normal idle after accelerating. You may also notice increased fuel consumption. If the P0507 appears, the most common cause is vacuum leaks in the engine's intake system. Check all vacuum hoses, intake manifold gaskets, and the throttle body. Another common culprit is the idle air control valve if your vehicle has one. It may be dirty or faulty, causing it to stick. A dirty or faulty throttle body can also prevent the throttle from closing fully, causing a high idle. Finally, a problem with the throttle position sensor could also cause inaccurate readings and a high idle. A persistent high idle can lead to increased fuel consumption damage to the catalytic converter due to inefficient combustion and premature wear of the engine and transmission due to the added stress. It can also make driving less safe.